Hi everybody, I'm Trevor with L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on suspending and resuming a schedule versus a machine. Once logged into your L2L profile, you'll want to make sure you have administrator or manager permissions within the scheduler module. If you do, let's proceed. You may view all schedules by hovering over the Scheduler tab on the left-hand side of the screen and proceed to click All Schedules. Once you have all schedules open, let's discuss suspending and resuming schedules from this page. Open the filters in the top right of the screen. Here you may choose to add any additional filters as shown in the dropdowns if you're looking to suspend or resume certain schedules. Suspending a schedule is used, for example, over a holiday when you want to halt the schedule for any amount of time and will resume that schedule when you are back from shutdown. You may suspend all the schedules or machines by clicking Suspend. It suspends all schedules unless you choose otherwise. When you click Suspend in the filters, you will be presented with two options. The first option is Suspend Schedules. This suspends the schedule without suspending individual machines within the schedule. Choose this option when suspending schedules during a site shutdown. The second option is Suspend Machines. This suspends individual machines within each schedule. Choose this option to suspend schedules for machines in specific areas or lines without suspending the entire schedule. You may resume schedules from the All Schedules filter as well, and it will present two options. The first option is Resume Schedules. This resumes the schedule without resuming individual machines within the schedules. Choose this option when resuming schedules after a site shutdown. The second option is Resume Machines. This resumes individual machines within each schedule. Choose this option to resume schedules for machines in specific areas or lines without resuming the entire schedule. Schedules can only be adjusted in full day increments from the time they are suspended and resumed. Alternatively, you may open an individual schedule by clicking on the schedule itself. When opening an individual schedule, suspend in the schedule itself is for the machine, not the schedule. You can select certain machines versus the whole schedule. You may click the checkbox next to the machines you are looking to suspend and then click Save at the bottom of the screen. You may suspend the schedule by clicking the Suspend button at the bottom of the page. If you open a specific schedule and suspend a whole schedule, it will not allow you to resume suspend when using the Resume Suspend functionality on the schedule list screen, even if the schedule is in the filtered list. This only resumes the machines and not the schedules themselves, as it can be searched by machine. Therefore, if you suspend a specific machine within the schedule, you must resume the machine individually. You may also inactivate the schedule by clicking Inactivate at the bottom of the specific schedule screen. Inactivating a schedule is used when you no longer need or want to use that schedule. For example, you replaced a machine with a different make or model and will now use a new schedule for that machine. You will still be able to close any dispatches from the inactive schedule. If you inactivate a piece of equipment and there are active schedules associated with that equipment, the schedules themselves remain active. The way to find any schedules without pieces of equipment tied to them is to set your filter options to view empty, no machines from the All Schedules filters. If the schedule is tied to a machine and the machine is inactivated at some point and then activated again, that former association between the machine and any schedule is not automatically restored. You will still be able to see the schedule, but you will have to reassociate equipment, machine or asset with the schedule. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.